trails behind my house out in western Massachusetts. I really wish I had a dual sport, but I don't have one. I've been wanting one for quite a while. The story about how I acquired this bike. Let's see. Last year I originally had a KDX 200. It was an 83. It was an oldie. I loved it. It was so much fun. Then the town proceeded to buy this property from the guy that owned it before, and I was told not to ride here. Well, that kind of irked me. I ended up selling the bike. I had a twin bike for my girlfriend. We ended up selling it, and yeah, went to a quad instead. And because of the lighter footprint of the quad, I didn't think the town would mind that much, me just trying to cut through and get to the logging property, which they don't mind people riding on. So I had this Yamaha Warrior for a while. We ended up finding another one pretty cheap, like 600 bucks. All it needed was the clutch replaced. Awesome deal. Really awesome deal. Oh, look at that branch. That wasn't there before. And I just decided I wanted a motorcycle again. So I just put it out there on Craigslist. I'm willing to trade my Warrior for either a 250 two-stroke or high CC 4-stroke. And this kid Sam, really nice guy, called me up and said, hey, I got a YZ400, do you want to see it? And I pretty much knew right when he sent me the picture of it that, yeah, I'm going to trade for this. Now, never mind, this is an MX bike. So, it's totally was set up pretty much almost stock for like MX tracks. Suspension was hella stiff. Geared very high. First gear was pretty much like my third gear on my KDX. It was very hard for me to ride. I felt like a newbie on a bike again. It was so weird. It took me a little while to get used to it. I geared it down, I bought a kickstand for it, jury-rigged it on. Handguards I already had from the KDX, I kept them. Just got this nice new headlight. I can't use it because I need a rectifier for it. Not a rectifier, I should say a regulator. That's on its way. I love these old trails. All these stone walls you get over here. I love this stuff. So yeah, it turns out I really enjoy this bike now. It's geared pretty low for first gear, so when I'm in fifth, I'm really not going too fast. I probably can only get a top speed of maybe 40 out of it now, but these trails are so tight that it's not that big of a deal. Haven't been out here in a couple days. It's pretty nice. Been practicing out in my yard for a lot, trying to get used to the balance. And uh-oh. I just lost my clutch cable. That sucks. Are you fucking kidding me? Well, there's my culprit. Blown clutch cable. That's not fun. Well, I can't get it started. This is a horrible first video. Nothing's going right for me this week. It's alright. Oh, hey, I guess I hit the gear. Well, at least it broke here, not after I got over the hill. Because luckily it's mostly downhill for me to get home. Why I can't get it started, I fucking don't know. Finally got it started. Hopefully I can get it in first gear without it stalling and I can make it home. Let's try this. See, I can switch gears without clutch. It's just a matter of making it down my hill. Yeah, this is not a first day ride here. Not happy about it. Apparently I'm in neutral, which is good. So I'm just going downhill, so I don't really need it in gear right now. Alright, I gotta get to my trail here. Gotta go fast because I don't lose it. At least my trail's all downhill, so if I stall, I'm not too worried about it. Just leave her in gear and let her whine. This part's gonna be the sucky part because I usually feather through this. Hey, I did it! Woohoo! Oh, it's another one. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm not that worried. Sweet! I pretty much made it home. Stalls now, I don't care. But yeah, that's my quick moto vlog. Vlog, that's what you guys say, that's right. I'm sorry. Oh, maybe next time I'll have better luck since I'll have a new cable.